Hey everyone, welcome to Whaler's channel. Today I'll show how to change Roblox controls on PC. Go to Google, search Auto Hotkey, click the first site, hit download, and get the first version. Wait. Then install it, open it, and click Yes. There. Installing. Done. Now right-click and select New. Here, we're creating an Auto Hotkey script file. Let's name it Roblox. Okay, now let's edit it. Right-click and choose Open With. Open it with Notepad and write this in it. Now you can change the keys themselves. Say I want to use B instead of W. I'd write W. Send B, save, close the script, and run it. It's now running. Now you can play Roblox with new keys. This was Whaler. See you later, everyone.